Hey everyone, the Artificial Trainer here. Welcome in, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking a brand new model called MoviiGen. This is definitely the highest quality text to video model I have used to date. It is a heavy model, but the quality is unreal. So let's jump right into it. I'll show you some examples. I am running on a 5090, so just know that you may have to do some quantization in the workflows. Go watch my WAN optimizations video if you need some help with that. This model, if you're looking for quality, this is it. So if you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button below. I have a ton of content coming. The pace that all these models are being released at is insane. So if you want to stay up to date, subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to use Artificial Studio for this. Artificial Studio is essentially a tool that I've built to configure all of the AI tools that I like to use. If you would like to use it, shoot me a message on Discord or Patreon. I'll add you to the beta. It runs on Windows and Linux, so pretty cool tool. If you don't want to use Artificial Studio, just head to the Patreon post in the description. It'll bring you to this post, and this will give you the workflow, and then the download URLs are in this .sh file. All right, so if you're using Artificial Studio, just head to the model download section and click on MoviiGen, select MoviiGen, and then just hit download selected models. I already have them all downloaded, so it completes instantly. And then head over to app links and open up ComfyUI. All right, so if you're using your own ComfyUI install, just drag the workflow in. If you're using Artificial Studio, you can just type movie in and then you'll get a workflow that just pops up. It's built right in for you. All the models are in the correct place for you and you can just run it. If you're using your own environment, just make sure you update the model loader, text encoder, and VAE loader with your model files with the names that you used. All right, so this workflow is pretty simple. It's pretty much just a standard WAN workflow. We're going to do 960 by 540 generations. So it does do 1280 by 720, and the generations are really, really good at that level, but they take like 25 minutes. So to me, I haven't been able to justify spending that long to do a generation, but quality is amazing. So feel free to give that a shot. This is a really good candidate to do overnight generations, set up 20 generations overnight, let them run, and then in the morning you'll have 20 really high quality clips at 720p resolution. And then this model does like very descriptive prompts. So I just had ChatGPT create a war scene for me. All right, so with these exact settings, it's using up about 21 gigabytes of VRAM for me. If we quantize this and quantize the text encoder, there's no reason it shouldn't be able to run under 16 gigabytes or even under 12 gigabytes. I think it should be able to do that, no problem. So here is our generation. I'm actually going to download it because I get a little bit worse quality through here, but take a look at that. I mean, just awesome, awesome quality. I don't think anyone could tell you that this was AI just by taking a quick glance at it. And the cool thing about MoviiGen is it seems like it was highly trained on like cinematic videos, so you really get that cinematic movie feel in a lot of these, which is really cool. The downside to this is it did take 511 seconds to run the workflow, so just under 9 minutes. With the CausVid Lora that just came out, I've gotten spoiled. That's too long for me. But I don't do a lot of like cinematic video making or anything like that. So if that's more your style, this may be the model that you've been looking for. So that's it for this video. More of a demo and just a quick how-to than a more in-depth deep dive. If you create anything cool with this, I'd love to see it in the Discord. You can head over there and show it off. I always like to see what people are creating. It helps me tailor my content more to what the audience is creating. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out. It helps me create more content. Follow me on socials. On X, I post ahead of time what I'm working on. So follow me there if you want to see what's coming. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you again in the next one.